If anybody asking interview, suppose the Flipkart is there. Flipkart, I'm starting by 2007. Now will be 2018. So I'm searching for Flipkart here. What the Flipkart price right now? My domain purchased by 600. So and so. If anybody citing asking by website cost, how to check the website cost? First you copy the website URL. Here, first of all, if you go to the option call is site price and check website price and worth of web price. You can check the will be three website. So most famous website is called this one, checkwebsiteprice.com. Now you copy the website URL. Now add your captcha code. Now click for calculator. They give you your Flipkart website cost. How much your budget will be fixed by your for sale purpose. Suppose you purchase one domain, you have to sell the domain. How to sell? What is my domain price? They decide by here. Look at it. These are euros. They give by euros. Suppose my website is there, Rakesh Solutions. We have doubt, sir. One more website, Flipkart is given by this price. My website also gives the same price for checking purpose. Now add here this one. Just click here. Now I'm going to back. Add this URL. Add your captcha code. Now click for calculate. Just calculate my pricing here. The website calculator price will be based on your traffic, based on the clicks. See this. 1,598 and 10.1. This is called euros. Flipkart and my price both are same. So this is based on your traffic. Your price decided by traffic. Suppose see this 0 INR. How much? Each euro nothing but 80 rupees. Now just open your calculator. For the price I'm giving the 1598. So yeah, they open your calculator. 1598 into 80 rupees. 1598 into 80 rupees. For the cost 1,27,840. So yeah, if you go to the Flipkart, GPDERA, Flipkart calculator. Check the price. How much? See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See here. 1 crore 85 lakhs 24,316. You can go with this. 1 crore 85 lakhs 24,316 into 80 rupees. The cost. So they bargain, they go into their price. So you can check the another website, WorthWeb, and this here, this one. I give the Flipkart here. This give 8 crore, so 1 crore 85 lakhs 24,316. Now you can go search with this one. So you can think also, if you are purchase domain, if not used, you can sell also. Sell by this website. See here, write down this one. Website value will be then here. 1 crore 8 lakhs 66,615 website evaluated. Which website? What of web. Now here, start website, siteprice.org. Now click this one, remove the HTTP, click for calculator. This price decided by your web pages and traffic and inbound links. See this, these are dollars. How many? 1 crore 72 lakhs 50,882. Now just open your calculator. We'll check what is the price. Now we'll check the dollar price. 68 rupees 5 paisa. Now just click 1 crore 72 lakhs 50,882 into 68 rupees. Is it clear? This is your website prices. Write down 3 websites, siteprice.org. Second will be checkwebsiteprice.com. Third will be worthofweb.com. 3 websites. You check your website price. See how much your Flipkart.com worth? $943 million. You know, recently Flipkart purchased this website, $700 million. Yes or no? How much? If you are doubt, just checking from Google, Flipkart resale price. So they now give here. Walmart acquired this Flipkart for how many? $16 billions. $16 billions. Now what is the price they given here? $943 million. So the price will be very high for compare this one. Who will purchase the Flipkart website? Walmart company. Please write down. Walmart acquired for Flipkart using with $16 millions. $16 million. So you're checking website price, you sell your domain and your website also, along with your cPanel and your data and traffic also.